Kate, and welcome to GRAHAMAGIC. Today, I invited my cousin Kate Preston to come and help me recreate how scientists clean up oil spills in the ocean. Isn't that cool?
This extraordinary substance used in this experiment is aerogel. Aerogel is hydrophobic.
The word hydrophobic is a mix of the Greek word hydro, which means water, and phobic, which means fear.
Things that are hydrophobic are afraid of water. That means that they are repelled by water.
So you're gonna need to fill this this cup up to 2/3, about right here.
And to make it look more like the ocean, we're gonna add a drop of food coloring. Now we're going to add 10 milliliters of oil. Oops, there's an oil spill.
Oh no, I think we need to put some aerogel in.
Make sure to get a sponge and cover all 6 sides with aerogel. We're going to squeeze the oil out of the sponge into this cup.
This is how scientists clean up oil spills in the ocean. Isn't that cool? Wow, that was so cool! Thanks for tuning in to this episode of GRAHAMAGIC. Wow! That was so bad.